my YouTube channel, KlassIt. Today we're going to be making 3 animals, a bunny, a frog, a ladybug, via origami. But before we begin, make sure you smash the subscribe button and you hit the notifications bell so you never miss an update from my channel. First, we're going to begin with the ladybug. And here I have a square piece of paper that I made from a regular sized piece of paper. If you don't know how to do that, make sure you watch the video from the link in my description box. So let's begin. So first, we're going to fold this corner to the other corner, like this. And then we're going to crease over here, like that. Now once we have this, we're going to turn it like this. Then we're going to put each corner from this corner and this corner to this corner. But we're going to keep a small gap like this. Okay? So now we're going to keep this and we're going to go like this. And at the same time, we're going to try to keep it in the middle. So it's like this. And then we crease. So now there's a small gap in the middle. So these will be the wings of the ladybug. This, and this. And then this will be the body. Now, I'm just going to make sure that this is pointed. Okay, there. So now it's pointed. Now, we're going to take it like this. Then we're going to go make a small thing like this where you can see the gap. And then we're going to fold back like this. So now it's like this. And then we're going to turn it back. And then we're going to put it like this. Put it like this. So now it has the head. So now we have the ladybug's head. And these are the wings and this is the body. Next, we're going to make the ladybug. Since ladybugs are round, we're going to make sure that these are folded. So we're going to fold it like this. I'm going to fold it like this. So that way it looks more round. And then we're going to put it back on the other side. And then we're going to put this back on the other side. And then we're going to do like this. So now it looks a little bit more rounder. And it should be going up. And it might look like the legs. These parts might look like the legs. So now it looks more rounder like a ladybug should. You can also fold this back in if you want to. So I'm going to I'm going to make a little fold like this. And so now it's more circular like a ladybug should be. You can also fold this, fold this, fold this, and fold this. But I'm just going to make it simple like this. Next, we're going to make the ladybug 3-dimensional by folding the body in half. Then we're going to open the paper again until it is not quite flat. So it looks more 3-dimensional. So we're going to fold it like this. So we're going to put it back. We're going to take this. Then we're going to fold it like this right in the middle. Or at least try to get it in as middle as we can. And there we go. And now I'm going to crease last part. So now it looks like this. And then I'm going to flatten this a little bit more. Make sure that this is like that. And now it looks more like a ladybug. And it's standing like this. So now you can make this color red. You can color it red or use red construction paper before making this ladybug so it looks more ladybug-like. And you can also put black dots. Now that we're done with the ladybug, we're going to move on to the next step. We're going to make a frog. We're going to make a frog, which is also like a bunny. Looks like a bunny too. So for the frog, we're going to use a regular sheet of paper. So we're going to put the ladybug aside, and now we're going to take one regular sized paper. And now the first step is actually pretty easy. And it may seem like an airplane step. So we're gonna do like this. First, we're gonna put this side to this side, like this, and then we're gonna match the corner, and then crease. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So it's like this, match the corner, and then I'm gonna crease. let me match the corner, and then we're gonna match the sides, and then crease like that. So now you might see an X like this, and then lastly, we're gonna fold right in the middle at this point over here, if you can see that. So we're gonna fold this all the way down to this, so this side is matched with this side, and then we fold down. Now this is a little hard and it takes some time, but then we're gonna push these parts inside. So let me show you what it looks like after we finish. Let me take it. It's easier to do it on the hands instead of on the table. I'll show you the end part after I finish. And so this is what it looks like now. Looks like this. And the inside looks like this. So all we did is just push this back inside. We just push this back inside. So now it looks like this. Now it looks like this, okay? Now what do we do next? Well, now once we've done that, we're gonna fold these back up, like the ladybug. Fold this up. And we're gonna keep on doing that, like this. And then we're gonna do the other one, like this. And now we have like a somewhat diamond type of thing. Next, we're gonna fold this part into here, like this. And then we'll fold the other one similarly. And then we have this type of shape. I don't even know if this is a shape, actually. And then we're gonna take this and we're gonna fold it in half, like all the way up till here. So right here, where the corners meet. It's kind of hard to do, but you have to go like this and there. That's about it. And then we fold like that, and then once we're done with that, we're gonna put this back up like this. Back up like that. And so now we have a shape that looks like this, and it stands. Next, we're gonna take these and make them into legs, like this. And now we have legs. So now we have a frog. And it actually kind of jumps too. If you go like, it kind of looks like it's jumping. So that's how it looks like if you hit this. Next we're gonna make a bunny. Okay, so next we're gonna make a bunny, and it's just like the frog. So we're gonna copy the design of the frog. So we have this frog, right? And now we're gonna take it, and we're gonna take this triangle and put it back like this, and then we're gonna put them more like this. So that now we have longer legs, like a bunny does. So obviously a bunny has longer legs, and then now it's standing more up, like this. And then you can obviously draw eyes on the frog or the bunny, and you can use green construction paper for it, and you can, for the bunny, obviously white will do. Then you can make a nose over here, whiskers over here, and eyes over here. And lastly, you can make ears that stand up like this and stand up like this, so it looks more bunny-like. That's all our origami for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any more origami suggestions, make sure to put it in the comments section. I hope you had fun learning how to make a bunny, frog, and a ladybug. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and share this video with your friends and family.